Welcome to Real Life Power Up. If you've ever entered a room and felt like the human version of an error message, you're not alone. Today, I'm giving you 10 sneaky psychology hacks to make people instantly like you, without being fake or awkward. And if you watch until the end, I'll share the one thing that makes people remember you affectionately for years, even if you only met once. 1. The micro smile. When you first see someone, don't go full Joker. Just a tiny warm smile that fades naturally. It tells their brain, you're safe here, without the horror movie vibes. It's like a hello without the awkward teeth flash. 2. Skip nice hoodie. Say, that hoodie makes you look like a ninja librarian. Weird? Absolutely. Memorable? Oh yes. Shh. Only quiet missions allowed. 3. Remember the little things. If they tell you they love mango ice cream, bring it up later. It's like saying, I was actually listening, which is rarer than free Wi-Fi with no login page. It's the adult version of, I remembered your birthday. 4. Let them shine. People love talking about themselves. It's basically brain candy. Ask questions, let them talk, and you'll look like a great conversationalist without breaking a sweat. Just don't forget to actually listen. That's the secret trick to this. 5. Match their energy. If they're chill, don't be a hyper squirrel. If they're buzzing, don't be a statue. Match the vibe, and they'll feel instantly at ease. Basically, be Goldilocks with emotions. Not too hot, not too cold. 6. The Ben Franklin trick. Ask for a tiny favor, like borrowing a pen. Their brain will go, huh, I must like them. Just don't open with, can I borrow your car? Unless you want a lifelong restraining order. 7. Find uncommon common ground. Sure, you both like coffee, yawn. But if you both owned pet lizards as kids, that's instant best friend material. Bonus points, if they can still name them. 8. Laugh together. Shared laughter is like human superglue. Just make sure it's with them, not at them. Unless they're already laughing, then go for it. Laughter, cheaper than therapy, and way more fun. 9. End on a high. People remember the best moment and the ending. So finish with warmth or humor. Not something awkward or negative like, trailing off with, anyway, I'm off to the pub to get drunk again. Unless they're buying the first round, then it's fine. Day set. 10. Don't fake interest. Actually be curious. People can tell when you're not really paying attention. Real curiosity beats nodding along while daydreaming about pizza. Okay, here's the big secret I promised. People don't remember you for how funny you were or how smart you sounded. They remember how you made them feel. If you can make someone feel seen, heard and valued, even just once, you'll stick in their memory for years. That's it. That's the whole game. Every hack I gave you today is just a shortcut to that one rule. Learn it, live it, and you'll never run out of friends. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and motivation on your journey to self-improvement. Remember, the only thing standing between you and your mission is action. So take that first step now, because you've got this.